Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Wacom Intuos tablet.
Ooh, here it is. Okay, is there anything else in here? Oh, PVC cover. Don't need that. What is this? Is this a light bulb? I think this is a light bulb. I think we got several things in this box.
Okay, so this is the Wacom Intuos tablet, and it comes with a free creative software download. Creative pen and tablet. I love the cover. It's so cool. It looks so clean and nice. Let's see what's on the back. Wacom Intuos. Explore new ways to get creative. Choose one of two creative software downloads for free. Comes with a 4K pen. It's battery free. Express keys and black. So this is black. Photo editing, digital painting. That's what I'll be using it for. Creative. Yep. So it comes with a pen and it comes with a little tablet. I'm excited. Let's open this.
Oh, it's also back. Yeah.
Still can't get over how pretty that box is. Wow. Oh, okay. Cool. I love this. Let me set that to the side. We've got, this looks like, oh, this is the USB port to plug it into your computer. Yeah. And then here's the pen. Ooh, so pretty. And instructions. Comes with one tablet, one pen, one USB cable, and one, is this the instructions? One, whatever these are. You can draw on it, it's pressure sensitive. Let's see what's on this side. Don't drop it, don't get it wet, and it's not for babies. Okay. Oh, on the inside of this pen, okay, wait. Gotta unwrap this pen. So satisfying. Oh. And I think, if I'm reading the diagram, looks like you can take off the end. Oh, it's a screw, okay. And it's got other nibs on it. That's cool. Looks like it comes with 3 extra nibs. Oh, and it's got little holes so you can plug them in. Cool, and I bet this nib is removable. Yeah, there's a little hole in there, and you plug it in. Oh, gosh, I didn't want to lose that. You take that out, and then you can put it in the back, but I'm gonna leave that in there for right now. It just plugs in. Cool. Oh, and it looks like it's got 2 buttons here. I bet you can program those to do whatever you want. Wow. This is really nice. Oh, ooh, there are buttons. What do the buttons do? Whatever. Okay, so it's got a little tag here. That's like a cloth tag. It says Wacom Intuos. Does that have anything important? Model number, made in China. Okay. Ooh, it's like a matte finish. I love that. It's so nice. Matte. Let's see how this feels. So I'm pretty sure this is pressure sensitive. Let's see what this happy little pamphlet tells me. Why do they make the print so small? It's English. Where's English? Okay, I think this is just all the legal stuff. You plug it in with, oh, and it's got a nice little band to keep it all together. That's nice. So this is the USB cable that goes into the computer, so I don't have a computer with me. I just pretend I plug it in. And then on the top, there's a little port there. This looks like exactly what I used to charge my Kindles with, so plug that in. Ooh. That's nice. And then you plug it in the computer, download the software, and I've never used a drawing tablet before, but I know there's kind of a learning curve where it's like you have to look at the screen while you're drawing. Like you can't look at the tablet, obviously, because you won't see anything. So I'm a little like, oh man, that sounds difficult, but I think I'll figure it out. Oh, hey, and is this supposed to be a rest? Anyway, thank you so much for watching my Wacom Intuos Tablet unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button down below. We're kind of thinking about starting this new thing about subscriber of the week. So if you're interested in becoming a subscriber of the week, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss any digital speed drawings that I probably will do with this now that I have it. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!